Alrighty, today we're going to explore paradiddles. Let's jump right in. I'm just using my index finger in the tone field of the ding to play some simple paradiddles. Keeping everything nice and even. Paradiddle, paradiddle, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. Put your right hand on the ding. Your left hand on the shoulder. Nothing else is changing. Check in with your shoulders. Check in with your feet. Make sure your wrists are nice and loose. Now we're going to swap our hands around. Right hand on the shoulder, left hand on the ding. But the pattern has not changed. We've just moved where we are. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, 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 left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Nice. Let's make that switch again on the ding. Let's make that switch again. Nice. The hand pattern stays the same. Switch now. So we're just switching every 2 times round and switch 1, 2 and switch. Now all on the ding. We're going to do the same thing but switching between notes around the outside. We're going to go all the way up the scale and all the way back down again. Starting with the right hand on the ding. Follow me. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, 2. And then we switch. Let's do it here one more time just to make sure we've got it. Swap around, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right. And now let's go to the next note. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. Switch, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. Now let's go to the next note. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right. Has to do to get in those weird positions. Switch. is really fun once you get it up to speed as well. So have a little play around with that. It's another really good warm-up, because here we're not just warming up our hands and our muscles and getting that muscle memory and that dexterity, but we're also exercising the mind, because it's like, oh, what comes next? When do I switch? And we're practicing moving around the handpan in different ways as well. So kind of all levels there. So I invite you to explore that some more, maybe do it turning up the metronome a little bit, do it with a metronome unlike I just did, and yeah, use that at the beginning of your practice and see if you can integrate that into some of your grooves as well. And yeah, have fun, and I'll see you in the next one.